In the next 10 minutes, you will learn about KB Gold and their gold and silver savings plans. KB is growing in several ways in unprecedented proportions. Global expansion is happening now. Today, we will discuss the history, growth, and development of KB, then highlight the program features and benefits. KB Group and KB Edelmetall is a financially secure, debt-free, and fully self-funded financial institution with over 16 years of successful operations. They conduct operations from 2 corporate offices. One is in Munich, the other in Stuttgart, Germany. In the last few years, KB has acquired some very timely and impressive assets. Nearly 2 years ago, a gold mine became available for purchase in Istanbul, Turkey, and KB bought it. A short time later, a precious metals refinery came up for sale, and KB bought that as well. Suddenly, KB owned and controlled 2 impressive assets. KB is the first and only company to not only own and control gold mines, but own its own refinery, mint, and production facility. There's currently 95 top-tier refineries in the world. 89 of those are either government-owned or government-controlled. Only 6 are privately owned and controlled, and KB is one of those 6. KB's refinery also uses green technology. KB does not use any toxic chemicals that are harmful to the environment. KB is also debt-free, everything paid for in cash. That includes their mines, their mining rights, refinery, machines, equipment, even their company cars. Due to the credibility and influence of the management team and their track record of success, another powerful asset became available for KB. That being the precious metals depository in St. Gothard Massif, Switzerland. These are the same vaults the Swiss government uses to store their gold. This addition was a turning point for KB. They lacked only one component at that time, and that was a distribution model for their precious metals. In May of 2008, KB spun off a sales and marketing division offering the world's first and only gold and silver purchase and savings program to the masses through person-to-person referrals. KB's plan is an easy and affordable way to own gold and silver. The plan was and still is to this day to bring 999.9 Kinnibar grade bullion products to the consumer in smaller weights. Through word-of-mouth referral marketing, people sharing with people a new and exciting way to simply open a free account with KB. Once an account is established, clients can take a dollar cost average approach and make regular monthly deposits. Account holders can also make lump sum, one-time deposits, or periodic cash deposits. You can literally customize a plan that best suits you. What we're doing is exchanging our paper fiat currency that's going down in purchasing power for gold or silver that is another form of currency that's going up in purchasing power. And when we deposit cash, it can be exchanged for gold or silver bullion in the exchange rate for that day. Your gold or silver can be exchanged back to cash in any currency at any time in just a few working days. This business model has been a huge success in Central Europe. In fact, KB Edelmetall and their precious metal purchase plan is actually recommended now by Bundesspar, an independent German consumer watchdog organization. The product that we're talking about is Kinnibar quality gold and silver bullion. When we exchange paper currency for gold, your gold is going to come embedded into a product cart, just like the one you see in the upper left-hand side of your screen. Each card has a serial number that you can see there with a Kinnibar hologram adorning the rear side. KB gold and silver bullion is Kinnibar grade, which is the very highest grade and quality produced by only a handful of companies in the world. The Kinnibar hologram and serial number ensures that the bullion you acquire belongs to you and that your bullion will always keep its value after it leaves the vault if and when it's shipped to you. KB's bullion is audited and certified for purity and weight by the Swiss government. 3 million of the gold bullion embedded cards have been produced and distributed up until this time without a single sanction from the Swiss authorities. KB Gold, without a doubt, has created a new and exciting way to acquire gold and silver bullion. KB's plan eliminates middleman profits, creating a way for their clients to buy direct, where everyone else that buys gold and silver is going to do that after it's passed through traditional channels. It all starts with the mining company. They're going to take their profits when they sell to the refinery. The refinery, they're going to take their profits, of course, when they sell to the wholesaler. The wholesaler or broker, they're going to take their profits when they sell to a retailer or to the open market. KB has an incredible tactical advantage in the marketplace. They own their own mines, refinery, mint, and distribution rights. This unique combination of company-owned assets expands their profit margins and positions them for tremendous profitability and worldwide growth, not to mention have ample funds to be able to grossly overpay people like us that are willing and able to refer others. Well, due to the explosive growth that has occurred in Central Europe, global expansion plans are underway. KB's bullion purchase plans empower individuals and even business entities to buy, sell, own, and control precious metals in smaller weights. KB was the first to offer Kinnibar grade 1 gram, not 1 ounce, 1 gram bars, half-gram bars, and even has plans to offer half or quarter-gram bars in the near future. This unique marketing strategy and niche creates a new and more affordable way for more people to buy, sell, own, and control gold and silver bullion. KB members do not spend money. We exchange paper currency for another form of currency. Literally take money from the left pocket and put it into the right. Now, KB corporate financial strength and stability is very evident in the fact that there are no costs to get involved. There are no costs to open an account. Setup costs, there are none of those. No purchase requirements, no annual renewal fees, and no website fees. This fact is very well received by governmental as well as legal regulators worldwide. There are 3 basic features of KB Gold's business plan. Open an account is the first feature. The second feature is to deposit cash, and the third is, if you like, refer others. If you open an account, you can do so with KB Gold and fund your account with as little as 50 euro or about 65 US dollars. Fiat paper currency can be exchanged at any time for 999.9 Kinnibar grade gold and silver bullion. KB's plan has great liquidity. Your gold and silver bullion can be exchanged back to cash at any time. Cash is made available again in a few working days for those that do need liquidity. The third feature is the referral rewards of up to 670 euro, or if you're here in the United States like I am, about 900 US dollars for each referral, and also up to 5.5% residual income on your referrals deposits. Do you know of any other financial institutions paying for referrals? Bank of America? No. Chase? No. Wells Fargo? Of course not. KB is the first and only financial institution paying members for referrals. And if you are willing and able to engage as an independent contractor, you can go to work today and get paid in cash 5 different ways. Referral earnings can be exchanged for gold and silver bullion as well. Potential clients for you include individuals, families, and even business entities that need to know about this fantastic way to protect assets and hedge a portfolio by purchasing some gold and silver bullion. Part-time and full-time opportunities abound with KB for those looking for a stable and lucrative way to generate new capital from KB's aggressive compensation package. The referral program, of course, is optional. And we know there's people out there not interested in the business opportunity, but there's people out there with money looking for ways to hedge their portfolio, and they find it's safe, and they find safety and security by owning some gold and silver. However, for these people, if at any time they refer a friend or a family member, KB will deposit a thank you cash reward even into their accounts. KB Gold's referral rewards plan has 5 forms of compensation for referrals. The first is the customer acquisition bonus of up to 670 euro or about 900 US dollars for each referral that opens and funds their account on a dollar cost averaging monthly approach. The second way is the residual income program of one-time or periodic deposits, or after the CAB bonus is exhausted, future deposits for those customers also resort and convert to residual income of up to 5.5%. There's also commissions payable for one-time or periodic depositors of up to 5.5%. And for top producers, there's 2 global bonus pools that we can participate on a monthly basis. One pays out on the 1st, the other pays out on the 15th of the month. So if you've been invited and you're taking a look at this for the first time, you might be wondering, well, how can I set up my account? Well, just complete a short application, create a KB account as a depositor, a business builder, or both. These options are absolutely free. Second step is to fund your account. It's a monthly savings program that you own, manage, and control, and it works just like most online banks. Now, before I close, I have to mention the Preferred Account Program. If you're in a position willing and able to deposit approximately 3,000 euros or about 4,000 US dollars, you're a preferred account holder and you have certain benefits. The first benefit is you're going to always receive better pricing. 3% better price when you buy bullion, and 5% more you're going to receive from KB if you exchange your bullion back to currency. Also, you're going to receive free delivery. Now, all depositors enjoy KB's best price buyback policy, as well as their free storage in their vaults in Switzerland. So I think everyone has to agree when it comes to business, timing is everything. Gold and silver prices are at or near record highs with no signs of slowing down anytime soon. So my suggestion to you is to be proactive and protect yourself and your family, because if you glide along with good intentions and are reactive, you could get run over if the economy continues to worsen. So get back to the person that shared this information with you, and they can answer any questions you might have. And remember, you have nothing to lose. Enrollment is free. Get your account set up today and get back to the person. They can show you how to do that. So you have a nice day, and we'll certainly see you at the top.